Hi. So there's a lot of things that you can embed into a Google site, and one of them is Google Slides. So when you're in your insert menu, you can insert a Google Slides presentation, and it will input a view only or preview version of your slides. You can also make the slides in your site automatically start moving. So if you wanted the viewer to realize that that was a slides presentation, you could set them up so that they automatically move as soon as they visit the site, just like these ones are. So when you're in the editing version of your site, all you have to do is obviously first you want to put in the slides presentation by clicking on the slides option and then finding the presentation that you want to include in your site. The next step is to double click on that slides presentation, and then it will open this settings menu. So in order to get it to move, you want to set auto start, and then you want to do loop playback. So this way, when it gets to the end, it'll go back to the beginning. And then you can decide how often you want the slides to move, and you can decide where you want it to start. And then once you've set up your settings there, then you can click done and you'll immediately see those changes take effect and you'll see the slides presentation move. And then when people visit your site, they will have that same experience where as soon as the page loads, your slides presentations will start to move on their own. Just creates a more dynamic looking page. As opposed to everything being really static and flat. All right. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to any of the